You have angry, you know. I will angry, you. Yeah, all who under the comment section. Mom want the big pussy brightening. Big pussy brightening and then that dirty suck good man. We suck to like a dog. Yeah man, Odisha black them. What about after him man? After him man. Same thing me they say this man, you know. Same thing me they say this man Odisha. So me no want nobody ask me no question, me nobody come on me life. We don't look Odisha over sexy way. Over sexy on the screen record. They want you there and they deal with me. Oh, you have man problem. Will you never want him a me can't have man problem. Me can't have man problem because I now walk with drop through this. No man never drop through this, so I can't have man problem. As one guy, one band. So if I went born for me sad, that at least have my problem. Somehow don't go away. Because I don't have think cold problem, think more problem, hairstyle problem, teeth close problem. Now clean house problem. Somehow don't go away. Me can't have man problem. Unless no man on the blood clot and can no boy could fuck for me and me say I do not too enough. I don't just can't know my business, I don't too blood clot enough. I can't have man problem no time. I'm training on this face here. I know boy not drop through you so. Yeah, idiot, not too enough. Not too enough and someone have bigger problem than blood clot me. Me not want no explanation. And if me want to come by and look sad, I don't feel like it don't nothing up to me. Cause me never beg me never say shoot by me a phone. Fire some blood clot because someone have think more problem. Think hole problem, barrack clothes problem, orange problem, clean house problem, hairstyle problem, oh you just a problem, cheesy food problem. That's not if you go worry about. Don't worry about me. No want no explanation. Me not want no explanation. If me want to come by and look at them, if me want to come by and ball it up to me. And if me want ball over money up to me. Because last time I check if I want to build my ball of God. So if me want ball over man of my business that. Or not too enough. You don't know where people are sad over. I don't care going to people's business. You just hurt on the feelings. You just want chat up on the thinking mode. Too enough, man. Too little bit enough. Too enough. Too enough. Pinky go suck your mama to and lift up. Pitney problem, all kind of problem. Someone who walk and give one a pitney like a post blood clot kid, now uno have problem. Uno have problem if you move for yourself. Someone who breathe every Sunday have pitney every Monday. Someone who walk and give one a pitney like a post kidney. Someone who think more problem, think cold problem, all kind of problem. Someone who have nobody combo me over yourself. Nobody combo me over blood clot yourself. Don't come about me over here, so not too enough. Two people not telling them business. Who not have scream record that about people have man problem. And woman never want for woman. The last time I check in, I'm sure say my man want me. And every girl man fuck pan them. So if I don't not come, I do not idiot. Cause no man could fuck pan me, I'm sad. Cause a boy fuck pan me, go fuck back. And call it a day. And post a new one and then don't say me love man. So I don't know one I come about. Bona come, but me cannot have man problems. So I don't know Dyema. Too enough. And I don't have problem. True, me not going to tell my blood clot business. You know, make me over sad. I don't want my business. I don't care no my business. You know, take up, you put power on your head. I chat about man problem. Me not want no explanation. Me not want he, she, and the old lady no explanation. Say, me want to come on my phone screen and me want to sit down sad. If me want to ball it up to me, any problem me have it up to me. Me not beg do no solve my problem. No come kiss my pussy and box the whole of the jar them. I want to come take on no teeth and play tic-tac to a snake and then up on my pussy tongue and move. Drunkro. Dog. Move. Shit pit. Alright. Come on, we could have man problem and company and sad so. Could I have man problem and company and blood clot sad so. When I idiot, when me have man problem, me not sad. If man is my problem, I go look at new man and happy. Me not do sadness when a man time. Me not do sadness for a man time. No time at all. Must be crazy. You don't know me? You don't know me. So if you normally see me come by your side, so you see if me come by your side, you must know the situation really bad. And if me don't feel like it, I don't know, I don't want to explain it. Me just know say me have a problem, I feel like it can sit up on my life. And if me look for followers, me feel like it can ball with me followers, if they want to ball with me, they ball with me. Me don't own no blood clot explanation. I don't know say Dyema have man problem. Cause as one gun, one band, so I want to eat that, you don't have no sense. You know should go on the head back and I say, boy, we never see Dyema so sad yet. Anything what happen to Dyema more serious because we never see Dyema so sad yet. Alright, trendy. Man problem could make me blood clot sad. Because me have man problem. You idiot. If me have man problem, go rise a new man. And get rid of the next one off of my mind. No, me. When if you come by and you see me sad so, you should know say something must deep. Because me no normally sad. Me no normal. We go through man problem. Me never sad it. Me come over here and tell you about the man them. And talk say, who you know say the boy this and the boy that. So all the blood clot me if you have man problem. Eh? If you no follow me up and follow me up on the son are true fans of me, you never see me sad yet. So if you no come here, one time I don't see me sad like this, you must know say really deep. Because you never see me sad on the internet yet. For you know me, never. No care how me I go to mold it like a G. So if you don't see me really get that down, you not supposed to know say alright then it really deep. Yeah, if you don't really follow me like that, I don't know Dyema and follow me for Instagram days. There are people who follow me like that. Nobody never see me sad yet. All the problem I like me patch left and right and center me stay up. So when you don't see me break down that sad, you must know say it really deep. And sometimes people have them problems, it's so deep that you can't even explain it. I mean, own nobody no explanation. I call my mother, my father, my sister, my auntie, my uncle. Me no own nobody no explanation. Say me feel like me want to sad and sit down and play two gospel, play two songs. It up to me. You don't just pray me if you don't like me, if you don't like me, you just move along. I said to me like this man are talking and never ask me questions. I say no nobody ask me nothing. Because all I know I wait for screamer car if you go around and go on and go this up people. See I'm so said done. The life could have done for a man and see me over sexy ray and have screamer car there and then over there diss me up. But oh sure, she have man problem. I want big old girl name Unique. Oh Dyema want one man to calm him down. Unique you want one man to teach up a big old church out hole. Cause last time I check no man no want you. And feel all can hold no cocky kind big done stretch out and spread out. And brightening bossy last time me blood clot your body fuck out, stretch out, done out. Fuck out, suck out. Come I don't know if man can in a comment section of this up woman. You clear man. Nasty thinking brightening, you come big woman, you must big woman. I want to take my drawers and bag your blood clad face. I use my G-string and tie your teeth. Drunkro. Me I tell you, I'm boss lady. Like I'm a shirt, man. Yeah, Nikki. You are what I speak. What's up, mama? Too enough, man. The dirty thinking one name. Let me go look back on their name. Come here, rub them over here. So me they look back on their name and rub out them dirty blood clot. Andrea, as you know, Andrea know as some say I have to rub them out. Pussy hole. I can go back go look for their name and rub out them blood clot one. Can go back go look. And dirty Maya. Dirty one Maya. Dirty one Maya. Nasty one Maya. Nasty piss bed one Maya. Where the man say fuck you piss in bed and say you no used to AC. Move your blood clot, oh. What she right say? Laugh out loud when me get in a serious man argument with me man and find out say him cheat. Maya, you have man problem, me don't have no man problem, Maya. Cause last time me check no boy and drop through my crutches. One Maya go suck your mama and dive through your mama and use a map and map out your mama big Scotia bank pussy. One Maya you me attack. Go chuck to your mama and rest to your mama, me go answer over here so. Good shit. Shit pit blood clot, girl. Shit pit one Maya. Shit pit one Maya. And you have problem one Maya last time I check shit pit. Your face stuff like a Remington blood clot steel. Thank God for filter because some man ugly plus tax. One Maya move your blood clot and go set a bucket on your hole, your big dirty church out hole and stop drain out. And go worry about that. That if you go worry about Maya, that if you go worry about. Go set a bucket on your big fuck out pussy with the drain. Guy they flood out the whole of your house on the bed. Go set a bucket on your done hole.